This is an aftermarket LCD mounted in an LG refrigerator. We will show you how to extend the buttons from the LCD to the controls in the fridge. Held in with neodymium magnets. Original LCD buttons. Original LG buttons. Test for continuity. We are pushing on the button with a finger, which you cannot see. These are the wrong terminals. This is the right two connections. Test everything. Now all you need to do is solder 2 wires, and then extend the leads. It is that easy. Soldering on the leads now. We have another video showing how we mounted this television with Fire Stick in our channel. Look for it. Use thin stranded wire, and use 2 colors. Then extend to the new button. The butane soldering iron was a little hot and cumbersome. So, we pulled out our precision soldering station by Hacko. Having the right tools always makes things easier. Pre-tin your wires. And, don't forget to use flux. All done. There was no way to adjust the volume on the inside, on the side of the monitor before. Now, we extended the wires, and now can have full control. Feel free to use this technique with any 4-prong tactile switches found in many electronics. If you like this video, give it a like. Please subscribe so you can see more smart hacks. Have a question? We would love to hear from you in our comments.